Yeah, it's very personable, and you got everybody engaged, so it definitely helps out a lot. You have a lot of experienced people who can definitely provide you with some additional insight, and maybe help you get better as a service advisor. So
I think just the expertise that Cecil and Patrick have to offer, honestly, is really why I came. They're very, very knowledgeable in what they're saying, what they're offering. I've been through 4 or 5 of Cecil's classes before, and I always just come away like more pumped and more stoked on what I can do.
Today's class was really good. It was really neat. The increased level of interaction throughout the class is a lot different versus some of the previous classes I attended, all with Cecil, all have been through WorldPack. Just way more involved and a lot more interaction.